This is a quick video of the installation of the Gizmo Gadget in my 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Turn the ignition on here. Plug in the Gizmo Gadget.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
So now it's connected. Really hard. I mean, like 2 seconds. Don't need an engineering degree to install this. Steering wheel controls work. Now I have this unit installed in permanently installed in my Mercedes-Benz. And I use the other Gizmo Gadget in my Avalanche. The Gadget can be installed in any vehicle. All you need is a power source and an FM radio. And as you can see, it's very easy to install. In fact, I even use this at home on my home stereo. The sound is great. No drop off. It's just perfect. Cannot go wrong with this one. Thank you.